What is up, guys? Brett here, brettdev.com, and I'm in the parking lot of Maya Mall in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and today is Songkran. So I'll be doing this video on my phone, not on a camera, because I don't want to get it wet. I've got a waterproof phone, so that should help. And so I just walked through, just parked my bike in Maya for the day. And I'm going to be heading down and heading outside and getting involved. Oh, you're right. I'm just filming myself.
Alright, well, just gonna get out of your way.
Let's go and get some ice cream. Yeah. Matt, are you also unarmed today?
Unarmed? Yeah.
I'm fucking unarmed. we gotta get strapped up. Thank you. This is the best ice cream in Chiang Mai by far. If you come to Maya, you have to stop and grab one of these. It's not like any normal ice cream. It's unique and it's nice. How you get in there. There's like a closed off area outside Maya. I don't know if you got to pay to get in there or what, but it's pretty wild. Look at this lot, savage. These savages are going at it. So right now, guys, we are just we're walking from Maya Mall all the way down to the old city. This is a really nice little walk on Songkran. It's busy, but not too busy. We're out on Sunday. Songkran is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so it's the last day, so it's going to be a little bit quieter than normal. But yeah, it's good fun. A phone is actually a really good self-defense weapon, because now some arseholes don't give a shit and just will get you, but 50% of people will see that you have a phone and they won't chuck water on you. That's not going to mean you're not going to get wet, but if you want to get less wet, walk around with your phone out, provided your phone is waterproof. Okay, so we've made it to the old city. And what's going to happen now, Matt?
Mayhem, I think.
Mayhem. That is all the white stuff that I'm talking about.
You mean somebody went up deliberately to that song tower and then just like...
Well, I think they actually put it on the cars as well.
Right.
But it looks like it's covered in bird shit, doesn't it?
These are mysterious things. Are you sure you're not just seeing stuff?
No, bro, seriously.
I've not seen one person with it.
I've seen somebody already.
Have you?
Yeah.
I reckon you're seeing stuff.
Nah. Alright, we're on this little this little walkways. They're built out of wood and they go across the moat. And these are the shots you can see here. So we're sat in Wake Up Coffee by the moat, about to head back. It's been a fun day. Let's see if that guy wants to be in my video. What's your name?
I'm Val.
Val.
Yes, Valentine from New York.
Cool. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm a digital nomad, so I've been in Asia now for about 5 years.
Oh shit.
And yeah, so when I first got to Asia, one of my friends said, you know, you should come to Chiang Mai. It's a good spot for somebody like you. And I was like, nah, there are no beaches here.
Right, yeah.
So I kind of just wrote it off. But I finally made it here, and I regret not coming here sooner.
Really?
Because it's a really good spot to get work done.
We're out doing Songkran. He's in here working, man. I said we're out at Songkran. You're in here working.
Oh yeah. I gotta do my taxes.
Right.
I got one more day left.
What is it you do online?
Well, I do content marketing. I help people to drive more traffic to their website.
Cool.
So I first came to Asia because I outsourced a lot of work to people in the Philippines.
Right.
So my first stop was the Philippines. So I went to Cebu. And then, like 3 months later, I went to Manila and I met my entire staff that was working with me.
Ah, so do you have like an agency or?
It's not, well, I wouldn't call it an agency, but I do have a team that works with me. It's a business. It's a small little online business.
And what's the business? How can people find you?
They can go to mycontentdealer.com.
There you go. All right. Cool.
And I'll take care of you.
All right. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Yeah, all right,
cool.
Tim.
Cheers, Matt.
All right, take it easy.
much are water guns? 400 baht for the big fuck off ones, and I'm guessing less for the smaller ones.
I'm already wet, obviously.
This guy's sniping me, look. Okay. Okay guys, that's Songkran 2019. Don't know what the fuck this is on my nose. But until next time, this is Brett, BrettDev.com, and we're out. Peace.
Thank you.